let's talk about 3 things you can do to support your child's gut health and maybe even their mental health. I first want to talk about the gut-brain connection. You may have heard of the microbiome, or the good bacteria that live in your gut. They've been the subject of a lot of medical research lately, and what we're finding is that neurotransmitters, so chemicals that send messages between nerve cells, actually have receptors in the gut. Not only this, but some of those good bacteria make those chemicals. Things like oxytocin and serotonin, which directly affect our mood and our mental health. Now, it's essential to feed these good bacteria to keep them around. Eating nutritious foods like fruits, veggies, and whole grains feed the good bacteria, which in turn make these chemicals and make other essential vitamins and nutrients that help our kids' brains grow and develop. So the first thing that parents can do to help support a healthy microbiome is breastfeeding. Our microbiome is actually established in utero and right after we're born. So breast milk helps support those good bacteria. Now, if breastfeeding isn't an option for you, doing skin to skin and close contact with your baby after they're born can also be really impactful. The second thing parents can do is to offer a good variety of prebiotic foods as soon as your child starts to eat solids. So like I said, fruits, veggies, whole grains, and unprocessed foods are essential to feed those good bacteria to keep them around. Now, the third thing that you can do is limit your child's use of antibiotics. Don't get me wrong, antibiotics are one of the most important discoveries in modern medicine and absolutely essential for treating some infections. But antibiotic overuse occurs, and that's why it's really important to talk to your healthcare provider before starting any antibiotics. Now, our kids get sick, and a lot of times this is due to a virus. Viruses aren't treated by antibiotics. So if your child doesn't need an antibiotic but is taking it, really all they're doing is destroying those good bacteria in your gut. So, gut health and diet may not have a direct impact on your child's mental health, but we are learning more and more about this important connection every day.